Today's job, just to change this 16 tooth front sprocket to the 17 tooth front sprocket. Work is easy enough. Remove the cover, loosen the wheel nut, loosen the tensioner nut, change sprocket 12 millimeter, remove, put it back in. Done. Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a simple job. I need to replace the front sprocket from 16. This is 16 teeth to 17, just to get the RPM lower a bit. I travel solo, so I do not need to have a small front sprocket. A bigger one is okay. Right, let's get to it. I already removed this. It's very dirty, so it's good time later for me to clean this up. 3 screws, 3 Allen key screws, 5 millimeter. Just crack it open with this, then run it with 5 millimeter. This is a 12 millimeter bolt. So for 12 millimeter bolt is not really that high torque. Don't require impact. Check the specification for torque loading in the manual. And best to put the bike on the ground. And what I use this just to jam the rear chain. Just pockets. Remove the chain down, loosen the rear so that the bike doesn't move, and you can use a 12 millimeter socket and break the torque. Okay, it's easy enough because 12 millimeter doesn't require high torque. Right, don't remove it fully, just loosen it. And what we do next is put the bike on the pedestal stand or auxiliary stand. This is a good time to clean up and check the things. Lubricate. Chain is a bit, it's about 40 to 50 millimeter end play slackness. I need to check it later on. So the next job is I need to loosen the rear wheel. $27. You can use the tool in the toolkit. Again, it doesn't require that much of a torque because the way the bolt is being put. And open up the tensioner, both sides. Just screw it in so that you can adjust the chain later on. Looks like they are putting some thread locker here. Okay. Okay. Need to clean up. And there's a washer. It's a bevel washer. Bevel washer is like dome. Normally the dome is on the outer side. Bevel washer. Its function is to press and do the locking at the same time. Okay, this is the worst part, so that the one that we're gonna get dirty. Let's see. First time I'm removing this bike. Okay, it's easy enough. Hope so. I've loosened everything. Okay, so that's the 16 teeth sprocket, which is the standard for this bike. It's still good, so just keep it for spares. So the number 16 here. See, 16. And I have this rag. I soak it in soapy solution so that it's easily cleaning my hand. Okay, this is the 17 teeth. Okay, 17, made by RK. Hopefully it works. Let's just see first whether it will work. This will definitely get dirty. Let's see. This is the worst part, because everything will get dirty. Hand will get dirty. The bike will get dirty. Since it's slightly bigger sprocket, it will have slight problem. Okay, now it goes in. Right, fit. And everything goes like this. This is the thick spacer washer. Screws go here. And the bevel washer. The bevel washer, the curved side is outside. And it just sit in this way. And you can just screw it in. But before that, I will put a bit of thread lock. Not too much, because it doesn't really need it. The way it been held, it doesn't have any much force. It's just to hold the gear in. After cleaning the old thread, just give it a bit of a thread lock, not too much. Best to use the blue lock, thread lock. And that's it. Let's just tighten it up. So okay. And now the problem, I need to jam the wheels, but okay. Yes. This is running. Chain slackness should be around 40 to 50 millimeter. So it is actually very much less than the 40-50 millimeter slack. This point, and it should go to 0. It's right there. Okay. Lock this end, then lock the other end before you tighten the wheels. Okay, lock it. Definitely, obviously, there can be some run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and right on the center. Okay. Yes. Okay. Just to give it some tension for tightening. Don't use impact when it's in gears. Okay, that's good now. Don't put it too tight, because there is no load on the screws. It's only a clamping load to prevent the gears from coming out. The bevel washer is good enough to hold it and lock it in. Okay, all good. What I need to do, I just need to put back the bike on the pedestal stand. Stand. Start it up and just run it up. Put the gear up. Start the bike. Stop. Put it in gears. Right, that's about it. All I get to do is now to clean up this area because it's very dirty due to chain oiler, and restore. So the 16 tooth sprocket, I will keep it because it's still good. It's only done 15,000 kilometer. It have another 15,000 at least, and that's about it. All I need to do is restore the bike and take it for a test ride. Right, thanks for watching. Bye.